What's up guys, today we are with the gs350 again, and we've got the roof spoiler. So I went down to the States last weekend to pick up the front end conversion for the front bumper, and just haven't opened it yet because it's I figured it's going to be a pretty lengthy install and it's going to rain tomorrow, so figured this would be an easier install. Fingers crossed. But yeah, we can get started to see how quick it is. I don't know if it's actually real carbon fiber, but it's definitely better than the trunk spoiler that I got. The weave on it doesn't look too bad. Actually looks like real carbon fiber. One's dirty, one's clean, but you can actually see the difference. So this is the trunk spoiler right here, not as clean of a reflection, and then this is the roof spoiler, a bit more cleaner. See how she fits. So it looks like. Show you the fitment. Probably move it over a bit over to the right a bit. Not bad. Right. Probably gonna regret this, but I only put on this middle single line of double-sided tape, like actual 3M double-sided tape. I know the stuff that they put on is pretty garbage in general, but yeah, we'll see. I can always just take it off and then put on another layer of double-sided tape, I guess, but yeah. Alrighty, all done. I could have probably pushed this up a little bit more, but yeah, not too worried about it. Looks really good. Probably the best purchase. I think it was $130 US. Shipped to Canada as well. I also need to buy one of these drip moldings for the roof here. But it looks good. Satisfied. It's a nice little shot of both the spoilers. It's all coming together.